What's going on, guys? JT's with the latest Mustang and automotive news. We're just 2 hours away from the Bronco reveal, and if you're new to the channel, I'm keeping you updated with the latest Bronco and automotive news. We got some new leaks of the two-door Ford Bronco. We're over here straight up over at Bronco 6G. First, let's go over to Instagram and check out what's up on the Ford Bronco page to keep you kind of up to date with what's been going on. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will keep you updated with the latest news. We're going to do a live stream as well here in a few hours. If you don't already know, there's all these photos over here. I'm just quick rundowns. Probably going to 2.7 liter EcoBoost, 10-speed auto, 7-speed manual transmission, 2-door, 4-door, and then the unibody little sport Bronco. It's going to be an off-road vehicle with the spirit of a Mustang. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a removable top, removable doors. Hopefully it's going to have a lock-in front and rear differential. There's going to be tons of trims, all sorts of different specs, all sorts of different stuff going on here. Let's just go right into it. Some more leaked photos 38 minutes ago on the Bronco 6G forums, and wow. Wowzers. I believe these are Method Racing wheels. I contacted them a few months ago about some wheels for the Toyota Sequoia that I have, and I was trying to get you guys a discount. I don't know if those are Method Racing wheels. I was trying to get you guys a discount code for everyone to share with you, and they gave it to me. So maybe I can get that guys out to you. Anyways, these are big tires. I don't know what this is. This is new to me. This is rad. This is a hard top. Obviously, these are removable. You see the part of the structure here, a roll bar, or these. Okay, so these are also all the accessories. You got lights, huge LED lights here, big tow hooks, winch capabilities. Look at this departure approach angle. These look like 35s or 37s. They've got plenty of room to move, it looks like. Of course, this looks pretty CGI-ish to me. But nonetheless, dude, this thing looks tough. And I don't know if the two-door will come with a 2.7, but if it does, that's got 400 foot-pounds of torque and 325 horsepower. This thing will roll out and probably get decent gas mileage and be fun. And front and rear locking diffs, plus all that power, that looks super fun. So these are accessories that you can order on the truck. You've got the rear mounted wheel and tire to get it from underneath, have more ground clearance. This is like a piece that you can take out if you don't want to take off the whole door, which is something new. I've never seen that before. Obviously removable hard top. Oh, I literally have, this is the first time I've literally seen these photos, guys. So I'm assuming these are going to be on the reveal tonight. So this looks, it's simple. So what do we see here? We see a good size screen. Obviously the push button start. Here is your front and rear locking diff, traction control, and then probably where it locks up the inside tire. Looks like you're going to get a digital dash, the nice big Bronco on the steering wheel. All your gauges here. The steering wheel looks okay. I don't know if I'm in love with the steering wheel. Climate control is very cool. The reason I say I'm not in love with it is because I've seen what the Porsche steering wheel looks like on the Cayman or whatever. I have like 5 different steering wheels you can probably get on those cars. Now, as far as you want to be able to wrap your hand around there, it's nice and comfortable. So also with if you're going off-roading, you want to have. So that's probably pretty good. What I definitely do like, I like these things in here. Now, I don't know how long those are going to last, but you want lots of places to put stuff, right? There's that oh crap handle right there. Let me try to zoom out a little more so we can see more. Okay, so this is definitely with the roof off, which is cool. This is with the removable roof. So you've got all these auxiliary switches right here, right? So you can make this for an outlet in the back, for this and that, all sorts of different things. I actually do prefer the cloth seats sometimes because you don't have to worry about scratching them and getting them. They're more durable, it seems like. A nice big flat area. It's super simple, which is pretty cool. You've got your door locks here. You've got storage here. You've got a shift lever instead of a knob, a rotary knob, which is cool. You've got the twist digital dual climate control things. It looks like you've probably going to have a heated seat. possibly a cooled seat if you get the premium. I think what's going to be really cool is the dash and how they integrate like all the different settings for the traction control and the mud terrain modes and all that. I think that will probably pop up really cool in the dash and all the things that they've integrated with that. I'm expecting this to be like a quick release, functionality here. They do have some cool vents here. So yeah, guys, so let's just, yeah, this is pretty cool. That people don't like. One guy says that the door makes them sick to his stomach. But overall, guys, I think this looks stout, like super aggressive, super squatty. I think this is going to be, I think this looks so much cooler than the Jeep, in my opinion. Because the Jeep has been around forever, and if you're a Jeep guy, I totally understand. And for whatever reason, it just doesn't hit. Some people, they're just like, Mustangs don't hit. And then for me, they do. I see them in a different light. So, because I see them, okay, you can make 1,000 horsepower to this car, and you can do this and this. So for the Jeep, I don't see that. I was never super into them. But the Bronco, I guess I can get into it more. It just looks more sporty. And that's what they're going for with the Jeep. With the Bronco is the heart of a Mustang in an off-road vehicle, which is like totally, that's what I'm about. It's like having fun, a little bit more power and speed. So people are going crazy. So everyone's just ready. Yeah, everyone's ready to see this. So I just wanted to share this real quick, and I'm going to try to live stream and do kind of a voiceover, for the live stream that's going to be up in about 2 hours. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the links if you want to support it, and I'll catch you on the live stream in a few hours.